Hi guys, I am back with another tips. This tips is how you can add your custom icon in your project. So that means it's like this. Let's say this is the project, right? This is the exe file project. So if I extend the large icon view, so you can see here is the exe.exe. You see the .exe, and this is OpuArt, my logo. Okay, when you click on this exe file, the project start and exit. So this one, so how you can put your custom logo, or else if you not put your custom logo, there will be the Unity logo, which is sometimes Unity logo is a default logo, so it's like sometimes is a bit awkward, but if there is no logo, then Unity logo, but you can change it, you can create your own icon of your project, so that looks actually more professional. By the way, if you see this and the icon is changing according to its size. Okay, the large icon, the things, okay, according to size, according to the list view and all the things. Okay, so how can you do that? Let me back with the details. Okay, the default one. So how can you do that? Okay, so it's a small process, by the way. So here in my project, I have everything. So like image, I just have to need that this icon logo. Okay, here is the OpuArt logo, and the logo you have to convert it in sprite mode. Okay, the texture type, it should be a sprite. It usually default, but it should be a sprite. Maximum size is 2K, it will be okay. Yeah, then it should be make sure that it should be a sprite. It must be a sprite, or else it will not work. Okay, so after you convert, you can bring the PNG file. PNG file will be better, but you can bring JPG, but I prefer the PNG. Okay, I prefer the PNG without any background. Okay, like this one, like this image without any background. If your logo is like this square shape, then no problem, you can either bring JPG or PNG, but PNG is more comfortable to handle. Okay, yeah, after processing the after doing this sprite 2D UI, then you have to set your image to the icon. So where is the icon? So you go to the file and you go to the build setting, then you go to the player setting. Okay, in the player setting, you can see the player. In the player section, you can see the icon. Okay, you can see the icon, and you can see the company logo and product name. Here you can change whatever the version and all that. You can also change version is 0.1, company logo is OpuArt and all that. Okay, default icon and default cursor, you can if you have the default cursor, I mean yeah, if you have the cursor, custom cursor, you can put it there. Default icon, you can put it there also. But the main section of the icon, here you can see the all the platforms. Here you can see the PC, Linux, Universal Windows Platform, tvOS, iOS, Android, Linux, Android, and WebGL. Okay, all the platforms are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 platforms, and the same things. Okay, so here you just go to the drop down, and here you see that OpuArt image is there. So what you have to do, you just need to drag and drop from the content drawer. You just need to drag and drop here, so automatically it will set according to the size. You don't need to size this manually. You just drop it. The large icon is here, and automatically it will be it will contain the size, but the icon size will be, the icon size will be like square shape. Okay, so this is the square shape, so that is the case. And then here is the icon. Then if you go to the splash image, then you can also change that, tweak that. Okay, background color, you can tweak that. So there are a lot of functions you can tweak. Also the resolution, full screen window, you can check that. Okay, so your main part, if you want to change the icon, so here it is, the icon. And then after putting the icon there and everything set well, and then go to the you go to the build. If you go to the build and you build one, then you will have your custom icon like that. So this icon will be on the exe file. Okay, which will look more professional rather than the Unity icon. Okay, so I hope this helps. It's a very small tips, and you get the idea. Thank you very much.